Hello, my little friends. Welcome you to the class of Master Moshai. Today, we are going to learn the division. Division is very easy. And today, our main target audience is the students or the child who are learning the division for the very first time. So, let's start. So, today we are going to learn division. First, let's start with a simple example. In this example, it is a kind of division. Okay? A very simple one. Here, you can find the main 4 terms of division. And that is what? So, here you can find the first number, that is 8. It is the number which you are going to divide. So it is nothing but dividend. Okay? And by which you are going to divide? By which number you are going to divide? This is called divisor. Okay, so this is divisor and this is dividend. This is the number we are going to divide. This is the bigger number in this math, and this is the number by which we are going to divide this big number. Okay, and what you find here? The result. So result is what? Result is nothing but, we term is that quotient. Okay, so Q U O T I E N T, quotient. And this is at the last. Here it is 0 or nothing or cross. So this is what we called as remainder. Okay. So in this case, it is cross or 0, but we will soon find some examples where you find there are some numbers here which is not 0 or cross, some numbers which we termed as remainder. Okay. So now take a bigger number, like take a number 7, which I want to divide the number 9, 4, 3. Okay. So to start with, first you need to check what number is here or what is the divisor. So divisor is 7 or a 1-digit number. Okay, so it is a 1-digit number. So always, as per process, always take the first 1 digit. As it is 1 digit here, always check the first digit or 1 digit. So it is 7 here and 9 here. Okay, 7, 9. So 7, 1 ja 7. Okay, so only 1 is enough for this 9. So we find, if we minus it, we find 2 as remainder. So there is a trick, my friend. If you find this remainder, it should be always less than this divisor. Okay, it should always less than this divisor. So it is 2 here, it is 7 here, so it is less. So if anytime you find it, this remainder is bigger than this divisor, that means you are doing it wrongly. Always check this remainder should less than this divisor. Okay, so 2 it came. Now next take this second number. So it is 4. So 4 we are putting here. Now check. So it is 24. So 7, this is one number. It is one number here. Take the one number. So as I already checked, this 2 is less than 7. So we can't take 2 here. So we need to take this 24. We take this 24. Okay. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28. So 28 is bigger than this. We cannot go beyond this 24. We need to be either less than this or equal to this. So 7 4 ja 28. We can't do 7 4 ja. So we need to come 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 7 3 ja 21. So 7 3 ja 21. Now do the minus again. So 1 3. So it is 3. Now check this 3. As I show you a trick, this 3 is less than 7. Okay. So 3 less than 7. So we are doing it correctly. So now take this last number 3 from here to here. So 33. So next again do this. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35. So 35 is bigger than 33. So we can't take 35. So 7 4 ja 28. So we need to take 7 4 ja 28. So again do the minus. How much? 8 is 3. So we need to take a carry from here. So it is 8 and 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is 5 here. Okay. And this 2 plus carry this one. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 minus 3, it is 0. So here as well you can see the 5. 5 is less than 7. So we are doing it correctly. So is there anything left? So no, there is nothing left. So we came to the last part of our math of this division. Okay. So what is the answer then, my friends? So answer what we found here, this 1 3 4. So answer is, or the quotient is 134. Okay. This is our answer or quotient. And what is the remainder? So this is what we cannot divide anymore. So this is our remainder. So remainder is 5. Okay. So this is our quotient. This is 134 our answer, and this is our remainder, that is 05. Okay. And always keep in mind this trick. The remainder always be less than this divisor. Anytime this remainder in any step, if it bigger than this divisor, then you are doing somewhere something wrong. Here you can see at the first time it is 2, second time it is 3, and finally it is 5. So always the remainder or the leftover, what we can say, leftover or remainder is less than this divisor. Always keep this in mind. Then you cannot do anything wrong in the division. Okay. In my next class I will teach you or show you a little difficult one, like a 2-digit division. Okay. With a 2-digit divisor division. Okay. Something little more difficult, where we will check some difficult conditions. Okay. So wait for my next class, and if you like it, please let me know, and please subscribe my channel so that you can get my updates regularly. Thank you. Bye.